Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be looking at my Lego pirate ship Moc. So, as you can see, here is the pirate ship. So, we're going to look at the captain of the ship. It's a pretty cool hat piece he's got that I made. So guys, this is just a mock, but it may not be perfect. So, there's this wolf dude. Let's get that out of the way. There's this wolf dude. A dog. A guard guy. His face is doofy. This is a pretty unique piece because it's like a pirate ship steering wheel, and yes, it is Lego. This is a pretty unique piece too because I made it from scratch. It's just like a brick built sail. This is a Lego carrot. If you're wondering where you get this, it's in the set Pillager Outpost. Or a village set, like the Western village set. So if you have that, yeah, that's good. So push the subscribe button. If it's red, turn it gray, and push the like button and ring the bell, so you'll be warned when a new video comes out. Bye.